Hello everyone, welcome back to English grammar classes. Today we will study past tense. Yes, past tense refer to the segment of time that we have lived in and that has elapsed forever. In past tense, first of all we will read simple past tense. The past indefinite tense or simple past tense refer to the form of action, verbs that represent the time that has passed by. This tense expresses past habit, routine, incident, state, condition, quality, etc. In past tense, the tense is expressed with the second form of verb. For example, I jumped, the boy ran, he collected money. In these sentences, jumped, ran, collected, these all are the second forms of verb. And when we form negative sentences, we write did not plus first form. For example, I did not jump, the sun did not shine, he did not collect money. After did not, we have written first form of verb. To form interrogative sentences, we write did plus subject plus first form of verb. For example, did you want to read this book? Did he collect the stamps? So we have written did plus first form. The simple past tense is used to express a past event or past action that are complete. So when the time is given, for example, we can say he worked in this factory from 1919 to 2019. When the time is not given but it is implied and definite, for example, we can say my pet dog lived a cheerful life. These sentences are telling about the past time. When the time is asked for, जब time के बारे में पूछा जाता है, when did they finished work and go home? Did mother wake you up in the morning? As we know, the past tense is used for past events, but it is also used for repeated event in the past and for past habits and to express an action which lasted for a period of time in the past. For example, he taught in that school for 4 years. We understand that he was teaching in that school. Nowadays, he does not teach there anymore. Let's practice with some examples. They dash inform the officer. As you can see, this is the simple sentence, affirmative sentence. So we will write here second form of verb. I dash be in a hurry. What is the second form of be? We will write here was. So let's see the next example. Our next example is an interrogative sentence. So we will write here did plus subject and first form. Did you dash take off your blazer? We will write here same, the first form as given in the bracket take. Next example, we dash not meet the doctor. This is an negative sentence, so we will use did not. And the answer will be we didn't meet the doctor. Students, remember one thing, whenever we are using did, we will write first form of verb along with did. I was not feeling well, so I dash eat much. In this sentence, we will write the answer will be positive or negative. So we will write here, so I didn't eat much.